No one can stop you. No, really. No one can stop you. You can make stuff right now. You can make bad stuff. You can make terrible stuff. You can even not finish stuff, and it's okay. I mean, eventually, yes, you want to try to finish things. I'm going to encourage you to finish things, but you're not going to finish everything, and that's okay. Nobody's going to show up at your door and take away your creativity card. There is no consequence for bad art or unfinished art. And every time you make art, even if it's bad or unfinished, you learn. You learn how to get further in it. You learn how to refine it better, make it less bad, get it closer to that end. And in the process of that, nobody gets to show up and say, you didn't make a perfect piece of art today. No more writing for you. That's it. Scratch a novel off your list. It doesn't happen. Nobody can stop you. Well, no, that's not true. There is one person who can stop you. You had to know that was coming. It comes down to choices. Everything in life does, but this really does. Make the choice to create, even if what you're making is really bad, even if what you're making hasn't got an ending yet. It's okay. You'll get there if you continue to make the choice to create. If you don't stop, your art will get better, because that's how humans grow. You can do this. Keep in mind that no one can stop you. Your way is open. There are no walls or doors before you. It's all about your choice to take a step and then to take another and to keep going. You've got this, creative. You're not alone. Take 3 minutes. Give yourself permission to make garbage. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.